roar of engines, the sharp crack of wood being sliced, and the natural aroma of sawdust filling the air. It's all waiting for you to experience in today's video. Get ready to immerse yourself in every authentic moment. Here is a video showcasing the process of cedar wood preparation. It starts with carefully removing the outer bark, followed by precisely cutting the wood into evenly sized planks. The final step is drying the wood to ensure optimal preservation and maintain its highest quality. Each stage is carried out meticulously and professionally, resulting in perfectly crafted cedar wood products. With remarkable skill, this guy combined a hydraulic press, some scrap metal, and boundless creativity to craft an impressive log splitter. While aesthetics may not have been the top priority, the efficiency speaks for itself. Check out the results and get ready to be amazed. I'm pretty sure that bridge isn't strong enough to support a truck of this size. It's puzzling why they would risk trying to cross it. Let's see what happens. Can you believe it? The LKT-81 is hauling a massive 20 cubic meter log. No, that's not a typo, folks. We're talking about 3 times the machine's normal capacity, a true powerhouse, built to last and conquer any challenge. So do you think the LKT-81 might just be the ultimate machine? Let's find out. Hold on tight, because we're about to witness some unbelievable feats. These Asian tree cutters are redefining wildness as they climb towering trees with no safety ropes, just their bare feet. And the best part? They're felling these giants with nothing but a chainsaw. Can you believe it? Let's watch, sir. A massive tractor paired with a strong cable, and the man operating it with skill, effortlessly pulling a large tree stump from the ground. Let's watch and see what happens next. Introducing the HSM405H, a high-performance harvester specifically designed to meet the demanding requirements of large-scale logging operations. With outstanding power and stability, the HSM405H is the ideal solution for mechanized timber harvesting. Priced at around $44,000, it represents a significant investment in operational efficiency. A heavily overloaded truck speeding down the road, and then suddenly, the timber truck loses control and flips over. The scene is truly horrifying, but fortunately, no one was injured. A massive tree stump that seems impossible for any machine to lift. But just look at what this machine can do. Watch as it effortlessly picks up pieces of the stump as if tearing a piece of paper. It's truly unbelievable. Splitting the logs becomes incredibly easy thanks to this machine. Watch as it effortlessly breaks the logs into pieces as simple as slicing a pizza.
As I can here. Hopefully okay.
A large saw blade with a 20-inch circle and a simple sawmill, yet the results are truly surprising. Watching everything being crafted by hand is amazing, as large trees are transformed into wood for building homes. It makes me reflect on the effort and history behind each task like this.
That's where we want to be. Level up. Yeah, that's 2x10, Eddie. That looks heavy. There's 2x10s.
A beast with an incredibly powerful engine, carrying dozens of tons of wood, yet still able to pull a heavy timber truck up a treacherous slope. It's truly unbelievable.
Agora vai.
With its massive power to pull dozens of tons of wood on a slippery road, this beast needs to be equipped with chains on its wheels to improve traction, allowing it to overcome the challenge with ease. A steep slope filled with mud seemed impossible to conquer, but with its 16 powerful wheels, this beast remained undeterred. Despite a few challenges, it successfully overcame the slope with ease. tractor, with its large wheels and powerful engine, effortlessly pulls up tree stumps as if it's unwrapping a candy. It's truly unbelievable. Is this truck moving or bouncing? It almost seems impossible for it to move normally with such a heavy load in tow. The LogMax 6000B is a powerful harvester designed to optimize forestry operations with the ability to handle large trees with ease. Its advanced hydraulic system and durable structure not only enhance productivity in the forest, but also reduce maintenance costs while significantly improving harvesting efficiency. Watch as this machine effortlessly digs up tree stumps, each movement like a delicate performance. It's truly relaxing to sit and control it, effortlessly carrying out these tasks with precision and ease. If you're excited about what you've seen in today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming exciting content. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and let me know what you'd like to see me build next in future videos.